I bought and tested these vacuums so you don't have to waste your money. Cleaning stairs is a pain, especially if you have pets or kids, but I've found some of the best vacuums that make this task easier. Stick around and let's find the perfect vacuum for your stairs.
Product number 1. Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway. When I first got my hands on the Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway, I was excited to see how it would handle my notoriously tricky staircase. We all know that stairs can collect dust, dirt, and pet hair like nobody's business. This vacuum's lift-away functionality was a game changer. I could detach the pod and easily carry it with me as I cleaned each step. The lightweight design, at just 12.5 pounds, made it feel like I was gliding through the cleaning process rather than wrestling with a bulky machine. One of the standout features was the anti-allergen complete seal technology paired with the HEPA filter. As someone who suffers from allergies, this was critical. I noticed a significant decrease in dust and allergens floating in the air, which was a massive plus. Plus, the brush roll shutoff made switching from carpet to bare floors seamless, allowing me to clean the hardwood top of the stairs without damaging it. Pros: the powerful suction was impressive, effortlessly picking up pet hair and debris. The swivel steering made maneuvering around furniture a breeze. It also comes with helpful attachments like a wide upholstery tool and crevice tool, which I found invaluable for those hard-to-reach corners. Cons: while I enjoyed using it, the cord could be a bit limiting in larger homes, and I did find that it required frequent emptying when cleaning up after my pets. So, why buy the Shark NV352? If you want a vacuum that adapts to your cleaning needs, is easy to maneuver, and has powerful suction, this is it. This vacuum not only simplifies the task of cleaning stairs, but also tackles various surfaces with ease. Product number 2. Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Handheld Vacuum. Next up is the Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Handheld Vacuum. If you're like me, you appreciate the convenience of cordless cleaning. This vacuum is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect for quick cleanups on the stairs or in the car. The rotating nozzle was a revelation. It allowed me to easily clean the tight spots between the steps and the walls without any awkward angles. The 16V Max lithium-ion battery provided surprisingly strong suction for a handheld vacuum. I was skeptical at first, but it picked up pet hair, crumbs, and dirt without a hitch. The large dust bowl meant I didn't have to empty it constantly, which was a nice touch when tackling a few flights of stairs. Pros: the cordless feature gave me the freedom to move around without being tethered to an outlet, and the crevice tool was a lifesaver for reaching those tricky spots. Plus, the compact design made it easy to store away when not in use. Cons: one downside was that the suction power could diminish as the battery drained, so I had to be mindful of charging it. Also, it may not be as powerful as a full-sized vacuum for deep cleaning. So why buy the Black & Decker Dustbuster? It's perfect for anyone looking for a lightweight, portable vacuum that makes cleaning stairs in tight spaces a breeze. If you want convenience without sacrificing performance, this could be your go-to tool. Product number 3. Cordless Vacuum Cleaner by CardV. The CardV cordless vacuum cleaner is another fantastic option for anyone looking to tackle stairs without the hassle of cords. With a powerful 450-watt motor and 40 kPa suction, this vacuum means business. It comes with a long-lasting battery that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime in low mode, which is enough to get through my entire house, including the stairs. What I found particularly impressive was the anti-tangle design. As a pet owner, I often face the issue of hair getting wrapped around the brush, but this vacuum handled it seamlessly. The LED display was another cool feature. It showed me the suction level and remaining battery, which helped me plan my cleaning sessions better. Pros: the multiple attachments made it versatile, allowing me to convert it into a handheld vacuum for cleaning furniture or even my car. The 1.5-liter dust cup meant I wasn't constantly stopping to empty it. However, at its max suction power, the battery life drops significantly to around 20 to 25 minutes, which could be an issue for bigger homes. It's also a bit heavier than some other stick vacuums, which might be a consideration for some users. So why buy the Card V vacuum? If you need a powerful, versatile vacuum that can handle pet hair and various surfaces, look no further. This vacuum brings high performance to scare cleaning while giving you the flexibility to tackle other areas of your home.
Product number 4, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. Let's talk about the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser cordless hand vacuum. As a pet owner, I was thrilled to see a vacuum specifically designed for pet hair. With its motorized brush tool, it tackled embedded pet hair like a champ. I found it incredibly effective on my stairs, where the fur tends to accumulate. The cordless feature was a huge plus, as it allowed me to clean without worrying about cords getting in the way. The 14V lithium-ion battery provided sufficient power for my cleaning needs, and the easy empty dirt bin made the cleanup process a breeze. Pros? The specialized pet tools included, like the crevice tool and motorized brush, were perfect for cleaning furniture and stairs. I also loved that every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which makes it feel like I'm giving back while cleaning my home. Cons? On the downside, the battery life isn't as long as I would have liked, requiring frequent recharging for extensive cleaning sessions. Additionally, it's more suited for quick cleanups than deep cleaning. So why buy the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser? If you're a pet owner looking for a vacuum that specifically targets pet hair and provides portability, this is your best bet. It's reliable, effective, and helps support a good cause.
Product number 5. TCOM V500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I tested the TCOM V500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and I was genuinely impressed. This vacuum boasts a massive 40 kPa suction power, making it perfect for capturing dust, pet hair, and any debris on the stairs. The LED smart touchscreen was a standout feature, allowing me to adjust the suction power with just a touch. This made the cleaning process feel seamless and intuitive. One of the features I loved was the wall-mounted charging dock. It made it easy to store and charge the vacuum so it's always ready to go. Plus, the one-touch emptying design for the 1.3-liter dust cup was incredibly convenient, allowing me to dispose of the contents without getting my hands dirty. Pros: the vacuum's flexibility to convert from a stick to a handheld model was perfect for my various cleaning needs. The advanced HEPA filtration system was a bonus, ensuring that the air in my home remained clean. However, I found that the runtime was around 32 minutes at max power, which might not be sufficient for larger homes. Additionally, the vacuum could be a bit on the heavier side compared to other models. So why buy the TCOM V500? If you want a powerful, versatile vacuum with smart features and excellent suction, this is a strong contender. It makes stair cleaning a breeze while ensuring your home stays clean and fresh.
In conclusion, each of these vacuums offers unique features tailored for cleaning stairs effectively. Whether you need a powerful lift-away model, a lightweight handheld, or a versatile cordless vacuum, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and make your stair cleaning effortless.